Hi friends, in today's video training we are going to discuss module pattern in JavaScript. In JavaScript, a module pattern is a small piece of code that is reusable and independent. Modules are foundation of many JavaScript applications and JavaScript design patterns and are critically necessary when you are building any non-trivial JavaScript based application. JavaScript module export as a value rather than an object or a type, as JavaScript module can export an object. Modules that export a string containing HTML content or CSS style sheets are also common. JavaScript doesn't have private keyword, but we can achieve private methods and properties using closures. So let's get started and see modules in action. First of all, create a project directory called modules and go within that directory. Create a new file called modules.js, and I'm using Sublime text editor, so it will create a new file. And or my module equals function use strict or private property is equal to hello world. Function private method console.log private property. Now let's return public method as function private method now let's call the public method of my module. Let's save the file, go back to console, and let's run modules.js. Okay, you can see we have printed out hello world. We call the public method of my module and it gave us back, it returned public method, and within public method private method was called, and private method console.log private property. So we have hello world. Now let's see if the user tries to directly access the private property of my module. Okay, let's save the code and go back to console. You can see we have got undefined. So this makes our property secure and hidden from the outside. It is basically protected by the closure. Similarly, let's try to call the private method of my module, save the file, go to the console and try to run again. You see it has raised an error again and it says private method is not a function. These modules can also be exported to other JS files using the export keyword. Default my module. Modules can also be imported to another JS files using the import keywords. So import my module from, and you can give the path to the my module file. So why do we need modules? There are a lot of benefits of using modules in favor of sprawling. Some are maintainability, reusability, and namespacing. So that was it about modules in JavaScript. See you next time with a new topic in JavaScript. See you next time.